Welcome to our first day of this restoration project. Thanks for tuning in again. And without further ado, let's dive right into it. Alright, let's start cleaning the engine room. First, I took a stick to see what is actually in here. Oh, it's deep. But doesn't seem there's anything solid. There's like some kind of gooey substance. Ooh, what's that? Oh, it's just a dirty cloth. Alright, let's get the camera set up and then I'll let you watch this in time lapse, how I clean this. Alright, we are about halfway through. You can see very well everything that was below the surface of this water is pretty well preserved. Yeah, there's actually more water than I expected, but there's nothing else to do but keep digging. Alright, I'm gonna leave it at that for today, just because the sun is slowly setting and I want to have a look at something else quickly. Right, here we are back at the rear, and I can see that the water level actually dropped here. So this entire bottom part seems to be connected. Alright, now just so that today's video is not all about cleaning the engine bay, I want to have a quick look at the side here, which is pretty much the worst side. And I think it's a bit rotten because the windows are not tight. You can see here the rust seems to be through and through, and you can actually see here some of these water lines. I guess that's where the water comes in. So let's just go ahead here and gently rip this off. Do you think I can salvage any of this? Should I be more careful? These strips could be reused. At least I could use them for measurement, so maybe I better set up the camera and do this whole thing a bit more gentle. Oh, and by the way, this is what I got with the boat. Phew, jackpot! I inherited another man's collection of tools. So let's see if he has a flat screwdriver. Well, admittedly, it's not the best collection of tools. I guess that's why he left it here in the first place. Alright, now you can see here quite well total damage. Yeah, it's pretty bad. Probably gonna have to weld this. I have no idea how I can get these windows out. Let's see. Right, now we can. Ooh, what is that? Wow. What is that? Okay, I better get a trash bag before I start pulling on that. Alright, that should do it. Let's see. Alright, there we go. Alright, you can see here the bare metal. It's quite rusty, but nothing you can't fix with a good paint job. I think it's better if I wear a mask from now on, just to avoid to breathe in any of this old dust. Alright, that was interesting. So we can see now all the way to the bare metal. Some areas might need some welding here, but overall it's pretty okay. And it really seems to be only in the, like, from here on backwards, where at least the metal and the wood was completely rotten. Everything here, starting from here, everything seems to be a bit more solid. It's still gonna come out anyway, but just so that we have an idea of how bad the damage is overall. Alright, that's it for today. The sun is going to go down soon, so I'm gonna start packing and head on home. And I will see you tomorrow.